I plus j minus k, 2i plus 3j plus k, and I plus 2j plus 2k are coplanar. Now, if three vectors are coplanar, the volume enclosed by the parallelepiped is 0. That is, A dot B cross C is equal to 0. But how to simplify this? Remember, AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ, CX, CY, CZ. That is, the value of this determinant should be 0. Let us cross check whether it is 0 or not. A dot B cross C in this case is equal to, what are the values? 1, 1, minus 1, and we have 2, 3, 1, and 1, 2, 2. Let us simplify this. Simplification. First I will take this 1 into 3 into 2, 6, minus 2. Then minus 1 into 2 into 2, 4, minus 1. Then minus 1 into 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. What is equal to? 6 minus 2 is 4, and this is 3 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is minus 1. So into minus 1, that is minus 1. So this is indeed 0. What does it mean? It means that vectors A, B, and C are coplanar. They are coplanar, which implies that all the three vectors lie in the same plane.